Hi, I am CP, an interior designer from Comfort Home Interior. To enhance the spaciousness of the entire house, we've removed a wall and installed a glass door to create a separate study area for the homeowner.
The use of glass allows natural light to flow through, brightening up the entire living room. In this home, we've expertly extended the kitchen countertop into the living area, creating a seamless flow between the two spaces. This clever design choice not only visually connects the rooms, but also gives the impression of a larger, more open area. The homeowners love the open kitchen concept, and this layout perfectly suits their preference. The countertop you see is basically sintered stone with marble veins for the design. Curved edges were also incorporated to add a soft, elegant touch to the apartment. The owners desired a clean and minimal contemporary bedroom, so we installed half-height wooden panels behind the bed to achieve a sophisticated and cohesive look. The owner's dream was to have a walk-in wardrobe, so we created a space with ample storage for their clothing. Additionally, we included a vanity area for the owner to use while getting ready. Coral green KitKat tiles were chosen to add texture to the bathroom walls, providing a striking and decorative appearance. Recognizing that the homeowners have distinct morning routines, we incorporated dual sinks in the master bathroom. This thoughtful addition ensures each person has their own space, enhancing convenience and streamlining their morning activities.
Whether it's a total makeover or just a cozy revamp, we're here to make it happen. Reach out to us and let's start brainstorming your dream home together. Thanks for hanging out with us. Hope to see you guys in the next video.